Hello, my name is Mr. B. I'm a high school zoology teacher, and today we are learning about the Mata Mata turtle. Now, this turtle can get in the length 14 to 18 inches long. Think about the size of a large laptop, and it can weigh anywhere from 20 to 30 pounds. That's a pretty big turtle. They like to live in slow moving water, think swamps, rivers, marshes in the Amazon and South America. They prefer shallow, muddy waters with lots and lots of vegetation. That really is a perfect combination for these guys to be successful in life there. That muddy water with lots of plants. Courtship for these guys is a bit interesting. So the males, what they do is they extend their arms, they extend their head, and they lay as flat as they can, stretch out as big as they can. That makes their extra skin flaps wiggle as the water moves on and over them. And that's what gets the lady Mata Mata turtles. Those extra skin flaps. Now, they mate in open water. Later, the females crawl up onto the banks and lay 12 to 28 eggs, incubate for about 200 days. And when the babies are born, they are 1.5 inches. Their diet is they are carnivorous. They're eating fish, tadpoles, basically stuff in the water is what those guys are going to be munching on. And they do it a little bit different. So what they do is they don't necessarily chew and catch their food. I mean, they catch it, but in a different way. So what these guys do is they actually will swim through the water, opening their mouth as wide as it can, and they'll create a suction in the water. Think like an underwater vacuum. They'll create that suction, and then that will pull everything into their mouth, and that's how they will eat. Now, you can have these guys as a pet in your home, but they are pretty picky in water temperatures and muddy bottoms and things like that. So it's not really advised, but there are people that do have them. Their shells, when they stretch out and are floating in the water, they actually look like a pile of leaves. So a lot of the locals think when they see these out floating in the water, it's actually leaves. So they go and get it or move it out of the way, and it is a turtle. And these guys do not bask in the sun like other turtles do. They just don't do that. And this is, once again, the Mata Mata turtle.